Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'm going to show you some tips to level up faster in PUBG Mobile. So make sure you stick to the end of the video and follow my each and every step to level up faster in PUBG Mobile. Now let's get started with the video. First, make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my own account. This is my own account. And make sure to complete your daily and weekly missions. They give a lot of XP and are super easy to finish. To complete them, you can simply start a match and do as the mission says. The missions are right here. These are all missions and daily missions right here. There are different missions in each section, as you can see here. Try to survive longer in ranked matches even if you don't have many kills. Surviving until the top 10 gives a good amount of XP to your account. Playing in quads or duo with friends can boost your XP, especially if your teammate revives each other and help finish missions for you. Check the shop for XP boost items or events that give extra XP. Using them can help you level up much faster. You might already have them in your inventory as well. Simply go to your inventory and click on the box like icon and scroll down, and you might find the XP booster right here. As you can see, 2x XP for 1 hour. You might have it in your inventory. PUBG Mobile regularly has limited time events that give huge XP rewards, so don't miss out on them. And that's it guys. Follow these tips and you will level up in no time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more PUBG Mobile guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.